Hey there everyone, this is Chris from the Tech Basement coming to you once again from the basement. This time with a sound troubleshooting video. This was requested from the chat area, the comments area on one of my other slobs videos. So we're going to go through this real quick, hopefully within the next 3 to 5 minutes. Now, what the person was having problems with is on the stream, the volume was not being heard from the game. So what happens sometimes is the games will not engage the sound until you actually click on them. So if you're coming back from, let's say, I'll be right back type of deal, I would go ahead, click on the game first, and then see if things are working as they should. Also, what you want to do after that is seeing if there is any audio showing up, like the mic right here. If there's no audio, we want to try these steps first. Okay, first of all, let's make sure that the speaker isn't crossed out like it is right there. Now I click to take care of that and it should be good to go. Now as you can see, there is no audio coming through. That's because I don't have any desktop audio playing. So let me start up this video real quick here.
That would help me out with this, and
as you can see, it's working down here. And I'll demonstrate the speaker. There you go. That is, you're not hearing it, but I am still hearing it. So this is why someone may be confused if they're hearing the game through here, but it's not coming across on the stream. Now I'm going to turn my loudmouth off there over there, and I'm going to unclick that. Now with that unclicked and you're still getting this right here, that means something's not being connected up properly. So you want to go over here and go over to properties, and then you want to take a look at your properties area. Now if it says default and you're still not getting anything through there, and you know you're hearing stuff through your headsets, this is one thing you may want to do just for a quick fix, is come down here and then go to game. Now I know within my Windows setting I have the 12 Arctis 7 game as my setting there. Okay, and that should work at that point. Now you may have a different audio setting. It may be a speaker or something like that. Just find that particular item that you're using for your audio, and then it should come through here. Now if it's still not coming through here, you're going to want to check one other place, and that is in Windows settings. So, well, actually there's going to be two different places. I'll show you in a minute. They're tied together. So let's get out of there. We know that's on default. So we'll come down here to the search bar, type in settings. Oops. Hey, Windows knew it. And then we'll go to sound. And then as you can see, that is lining up with what I wanted to select. Now that should tell you that everything should be working, and everything should be working if that's selected that way. Now if you want the default setting to work on a particular device and you want to set it up for the default device, click on sound control panel. You'll get this right here, and you want to go to the device under the playback. Okay, this is for volume from a game. Alright, you're going to want to go to the playback tab, and you want to select that one, right click it, and make it the default. Okay, now that you have verified the device that you want as your default, it should work for you whenever you have any other application as well as this application set for the default volume. Same will go for your microphone. So go through that too. Let's say someone's not hearing you when you're talking. Once again, you should not be seeing this like you're seeing on here, because it's not connected up somewhere. So that's some really simple troubleshooting for volume within slabs, particularly towards the game itself, and somewhat the microphone. Also, if you have a headset like I do, there is as you can see, when I clicked on the button back there, it muted me. So if someone's not hearing you through your mic on your headphone, or if your mic that you may have on your desk, if that has a mute button or switch, make sure that's not on. All right, so those are the simple ways of taking a look at, make sure that your volume's working over your stream. Now, if you have any further questions or comments, please put those down below in the comment section. Please hit that subscribe, hit that bell, it is working. And this is Chris saying out.